JNTV.
This crowd of party faithful gathered here at Avieli to welcome the state deputy governor, Comrade Philip Shuaibu, who is visiting the local government for the first time since joining the PDP.
We are receiving His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shuaibu, as the deputy governorship candidate of the PDP. Yes, he has been coming home, but this time it is different because he's been coming home under the platform or on the platform of the APC. Now he's in the PDP. We are all in the PDP.
We know that God has done it for us. Obaseki, Philip Shuaibu, they have been piloting the affairs of Edo State.
They want to know who owns the land. That's why you see everybody here waiting for our son, the man that is going to occupy the Osadebe house again as deputy governor come September.
Then go chichonchi. You are waiting for swearing in. Quote me anywhere. We are waiting for swearing in. What is not good is bad.
We are happy because we are in the winning team. The leader of Edo North politics, unbeatable man, is coming to visit us today.
The arrival of the deputy governor into the waiting arms of the jubilant crowd charged the atmosphere as he displayed his dancing steps in his comrade's attire, carrying the umbrella of the PDP. In a long convoy, the deputy governor and the PDP team went through Avieli to Auchi, dancing as they celebrate the moment. Residents of Esako West, on hearing the noise of the arrival of the deputy governor, trooped out to welcome him. It was a homecoming for the deputy governor, Comrade Philip Shuaibu, when his convoy landed Jetu, his community, as the residents trooped out to welcome him, even when it was already dark. The deputy governor, on sighting the Ogeneni of Uzairwe, highlighted to pay homage to the traditional ruler. Comrade Philip Shuaibu, who commended the people for the show of love, said he was concerned about their health in this period of COVID-19 and assured them that the PDP will emerge victorious in the election.
This period really is not the best time for me when it comes to politicking, because my style has to do with the crowd, has to do with direct contact with my people. But the coronavirus is not giving us that space. So that they even came out that number today shows the love that they have for me. One of the greatest sacrifices I've made in my political career is leaving a party I helped to build, a party I labored for, a party that through the alliance, I wrote the mission statement of Grace Group that metamorphosed to ACD, and from ACD became ACN that merged to now have APC. Oshomole are consistently been proud of me, and I can tell you, as I speak to you, he's still proud of me. Why? Because I am keeping the tenets of what we believe in.
Comrade Philip Shuaibu was a two-time member of Edo State House of Assembly, a former member of the House of Representatives, and now a serving deputy governor of Edo State, seeking re-election. In Jetu, Victor Odion Acha, NTA News.
Before you say Obaseki. 4 plus 4. 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 Yeah!
of these Benin people, here is some of them we shall and we bad. Let me talk to you people, Benin people. Benin people be like fowl. If you throw corn for ground, they go rush you. Once they chop the corn finish, they don't go. What it make that they say Ishan people wicked? Because we know they take oppression. You do me, I do you. You think I'm joking? May they just open church opposite here now. Eh? May they yes, the pastor they shout fire, 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 fire. Your member go from back, they enter. They don't follow front. Are you angry with me? Look at what they are doing to their own brother now. Their own brother. When Osomule was in position, when he came out for second tenor, nobody from his village objected him. Now they fight themselves. What a shame. Now need advice. If you are an Ishan person, you vote for APC. In this church, go and fire. All of you PDP, because they want to take our space. Are you aware of that? We are supposed to rule after this man. I will come on air tomorrow to address it on air. And the whole kings in Isha have laid cause. No PPCO. Your own people, they fight themselves. You are happy. You are happy. Simple agenda. What is simple? Is the man not working? Or Obaseki is working? If you give this man 4 years, added to this one, this NEPA rotation of light will stop. Look at, they are testing it tomorrow. Tomorrow here. And the man is creating a seaport. Gele gele. I see yet an idiot said that he has a simple agenda. That simple agenda will never manifest. I am not a politician. No. Even if he comes here and I say, Pastor, pray for me, I will still pray for him. Say, I came here. I allow him to enter. I will still pray for him. Anyone, I will pray for them. But in my heart, I know the meaning of the prayer. Simple agenda. All of them, they clap. They fight themselves. When you are supposed to be united, say, go and rule. Finish your tenure. Hear this. What photo Osomule? It is not Obaseki. It is nemesis. You don't fight their hand that feed you. You didn't hear me at all. You don't fight their hand that feed you. It is not Obaseki that gave him extension from the office. It was nemesis, the Lord Kana. A man who could not buy his election bid. Obaseki gave you 10 million. You are not his brother. He did tell you he want to contest. Can we be sincere here? I have gone through their files. He did tell you, let me just support you. NGO donated money for his campaign. It was not Odubu that brought money. All those who are talking there, they did support Osomule. It was Obaseki who gave him money to contest. You see, the government has the build. The government has. The new government has. It is not government money. It was Obaseki that raised up NGO that built that government house. You have heard Osomule said it. That everything you see him done was done by the power of what? Obaseki. Can I talk now? Can I talk now? Now. If you watch this man very carefully, Obaseki, he have never said any bad thing concerning the man. Have you heard? Even campaign is going on now. You have not seen him use any statement against Osomule. He have lived him for God, and God is already fighting. If God can fight that one, Oga. If Osomule was still the chairman of APC, by now, me and you know they come aside. Or some of their boys that they don't come out. This state, we are here. We are here. Nobody will spoil it for us. Those who want to spoil it, we will spoil them. If you are a Benin person here, I see your hand spiritually by prophecy. That hand will take vote. Then we'll give a weak low. Do you know why we still have some politicians who are misbehaving? Do you know why? because the pastors refuse to change it. That is why many politicians still misbehave. Are you aware? If all the whole church come together in unity, bring us somebody for president, who go win? But our problem, we will not trust ourselves.
Obaseki for governor. He's a Iyamu for that man.
DJ LTV.